Hey guys, welcome back to the Honda Resource. So in today's episode, we're going to be doing some stuff to the old CR-Yeeter, but I want to let you guys know that I've got the only Honda's t-shirts on sale. These are screen printed, only Hondas. It's got the turbo in it. It's pretty cool, and it's real good quality shirts, not the cheap stuff. Also with them, you're going to get a Honda Resource sticker, and some Liquid Moly stickers, a Liquid Moly pin, and a Liquid Moly keychain, and anything else I can randomly find around here, stickers, tag bezels, whatever. I get rid of this stuff. All right. Also, I want to let you guys know with my business, we'll be carrying some Liquid Moly products. So if you're interested in Liquid Moly and you would like to get some, reach out to me. Send me an email at philip@thehondaresource.com, and hopefully I can get you set up with some of that. Like I say, I've got 8 shirts left. So if you want one, get on it. All I have left is large and extra large. So head over to hondaresource.com, pick up one of those today. Appreciate it. Now let's get to the video. I got a special package that just came in today for it. One of my good friends and a guy that a lot of people in the CRV community know. This package right here is from Greg Rawls. And if any of you guys in the CRV community have ever heard that name, you would know that he does the CRV side decals. Now these are a special one-off because you can see personalized. So these are going on the CRV, and Greg just made these and sent them to me, man. It's not something that I really asked for. I did hint at wanting to make some that said like CR-Yeeter or Yeeter or whatever. He's like, nah, man, I got you. He already had these in the works before I even asked. If you want to get in touch with Greg, he does make custom side decals like these. You can make pretty much any kind of variation of the decal that you would like. Different colors, different designs, pretty much whatever you want. Greg is quite fantastic with these. And most of the people, if you ever see a CRV with side decals, Greg is most likely the person that has done them. I think he sells them for about $100 a set right now. Now, I'm not putting that in writing for sure, but I think it's about $100 a set. So you can contact him at Greg Rawls on Facebook or on Instagram, grawls87, or you can email him at grawls87@yahoo.com. I'll put all that information in the description also if you'd like to reach out to him and purchase you a set. So, but yeah, these are pretty dope, man. You can't really see it through this application paper, but it's got my YouTube logo on here. That's pretty awesome. So this part goes on the back door, and it has another piece that goes on the front door. So I may try to wash up the CRV a little bit and see if I can get these stuck on. He was kind of joking around with me. He's like, they'd probably cover up some of them dents. But yeah, the CRV is not a looker, man. But, you know, if I can promote somebody's business and help them out at the same time and, you know, do something for my CRV too, cool. I'll help you out. And promote your stuff too. If you're interested in sending me anything, I'll put my address in the description. And you can send me whatever you want. I'll put it on here. Yeah, let's see if we can get her cleaned up and see what we can do. Okay, so I just cleaned the doors, pressure washed it off, whatever. Just degreased the bottom half. That's where the sticker's going to go, the decal down here. And I mean, you can see my doors aren't perfect. You know, I mean, we got little dents in it here. You know, there's a big dent in it up here. Kind of see it. Yeah, got a big dent here. There's a dent there. But this thing is for fun, man. It's not a show car. So we're going to get these decals put on, and I bet they're going to look amazing. So how sick is that? Isn't that cool? Look at that. I love it. Yeet. It's a CRV. Yeet. This thing is awesome, man. He's a mastermind, dude. Check it out. I think my doors don't line up perfectly, so I had to put this down just a little bit further than this one back here, just because I wanted it to line up. And if I put it all the way up here, it's gonna have this offset. That's not on Greg though. That's on my doors. You can see how it's higher. So, but hey, looks killer, I think. Heck yeah. So if you're interested in picking up a set of custom decals, hit up Greg over on Facebook, Instagram, or email. He can make you a custom set, any color. I saw the other day he made some that were rust color. That was pretty sick. So pretty much if you have an idea, if you'll send it over there to him, he can help you out, make you something exactly kind of what you're thinking in your head. He's been doing these for a while. Like I said, he's done many sets. And if you have a Honda CRV, or if you've seen a Honda CRV with some CRV decals on the side like that, there's a pretty good possibility that Greg did it. So go there and check him out on his Facebook, Instagram, and email, and let him know that the Honda Resource sent you, and that way he knows that his nice donation is going to a good cause. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Check out the channel. Hope to see you again soon. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Peace.